Halolele, it's Seal
and Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes,
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us out with the clues? Awesome, thank you.
Alright, right up at the top here, clue tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what this is? Ai ka pai. It's a picture of a mum, a mama.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's a picture of a papa, a dad.
And our final clue, clue tuatoru, right here beside us. Do you know what this is? It's a tricky one. This one is how you say I love you in New Zealand Sign Language. Can you try that? I love you. We have all 3 clues. We have a mama, a mum. We have a papa, a dad. And we have I love you in New Zealand Sign Language.
Ooh, I know what song we're going to sing today. We're going to sing our waiata, Ka Nui Taku Aroha Mo.
That's right. And in this waiata, my daughter's going to ask, Mama, how do you say I love you in Māori? And a few different other ways of saying I love you. Should we sing it together?
Yeah. When I count to toru, we'll click our fingers and have a sing along. Tahi, rua, toru.
Mama, how can I say I love you in Māori?
Actually, there are lots of different ways, but I'll teach you one way. Sing after us. I love you.
I love you.
Ka nui taku aroha mo.
Ka nui taku aroha mo.
I love you.
I love you.
Ka nui taku aroha mo.
Ka nui taku aroha mo. How can I say I love you, Mum, and I love you, Dad?
That's a good one. Here we go. I love you, Mum.
I love you, Mum.
Mama ka nui toku aroha mo.
Mama ka nui toku aroha mo.
I love you, Dad.
I love you, Dad.
Papa ka nui toku aroha mo.
Papa ka nui toku aroha mo. Okay, how about I love my cat and my dog?
Follow after me. I love my cat.
I love my cat.
Ka aroha o ki taku ngeru.
Ka aroha o ki taku neru.
I love my dog.
I love my dog.
Ka aroha o ki taku kuri.
Ka aroha o ki taku kuri.
Ka nui taku aroha, I have lots of love. Mo means that love is for you. Ka nui taku aroha, I have lots of love. Mo means that love is for you. Alright, how about you lead this time?
Okay. I love you.
I love you.
Ka nui taku aroha mo.
Ka nui taku aroha mo.
I love you.
I love you.
Ka nui taku aroha mo.
Ka nui taku aroha mo. I love you, darling.
Mama, ka nui taku aroha mo.
That was so cute. I love teaching my daughter all the different ways of saying I love you.
What was your favourite way of saying I love you?
Ooh, I like that one too.
Very cool.
Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember those 3 things we learned at the beginning. Here's our first one. It starts with the sound M, Ma, Mama, Mum.
Our second word starts with the sound P, Pa, Papa, Dad.
And our last one was a New Zealand Sign Language phrase like this. Can you do it? Do you remember what it was? It starts with the word I love you. That's it. I love you. Ka nui taku aroha mo. Well, we hope you enjoyed learning those different ways of saying I love you, ka Nui Taku Aroha mo, and you can practice it lots and lots every day. Alright, should we go sing our goodbye song together?
Goodbye everybody, it's time to go. Goodbye everybody, we'll miss you so. Ka kite anō, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey koneira. Goodbye, hey koneira.
Hi, make sure to like and subscribe down below so that you can watch my mum and auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes! Finish our hearts! Bye!